The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Our live sky cam looking northwest is identifying some thunder showers and thunderstorms that have now turned from the east-northeast to the southeast and are headed towards the coast and the city. And some of these are pretty heavy, and they're dropping some small hail and heavy rain. No weather alerts are out for these systems across the region, but again, a lot of activity up around Goliad. That part is going east, and then this just broke off and is running in our direction right now with the upper level winds. Right now approaching Sinton. You folks in the county seat of San Patricio County are going to get hit, and then back towards Orange Grove, just south of Mathis, and on to the southwest of there. It looks like a line is trying to develop. But again, this is a pretty heavy thunder shower. And although it has weakened in the last 10 to 15 minutes, I've been watching this carefully, and it's also going to approach the northern edge of this, the weakened side of it, to Bayside and eventually Sinton and on into Taft. So here's a look at the storm right now. And again, it pulsated up, moved a little bit, came down, pulsated up again as it moves over warm land. And it's expected to be in Sinton at about 6:24 and Rancho Chico there at about 6:26. So it's headed in your direction now, moving to the southeast. The cloud tops were up to 43,000 feet on this, but now the highest cloud top is 36,000. This is that pulsating that's going on. 35,000 on the northern end of this, and the storms that are trying to form between Mathis and Sandia are only about 23,000 right now. We can see those on the 3D here. Here's the bigger storm approaching Sinton right there. And of course, Corpus Christi's over here. There's Nueces Bay. And so it's kind of headed in our direction. And we're going to watch this carefully as the atmosphere is marginally unstable. It's not completely unstable like we had last week, but again, it's worth noting. And again, you can see this broken line of thunder showers working southeast towards the coast and the city right now. So some of us will get hit, some of us won't, but it doesn't look overly bad, although there is some small hail in it. There's also some activity out here to the west around Uvalde. We'll watch that for later tonight, and a trough of low pressure out to the west. Our evening forecast calls here in the city temperatures in the upper 70s. In between hours, we may see a brief shower here, but not too big of a deal unless you're right underneath it, dropping to 70 by 6 a.m. Then we're talking about low temperatures, 70 here, 67 in George West, 75 at the Naval Air Station. There's the upper level low causing this. Lots of dry air in the upper atmosphere. It's starting to erode away on the backside of the low. And the future tracker showing the rain going away overnight. Then we're going to see a few showers tomorrow afternoon, isolated in nature, and then just stray showers here on Thursday. Rainfall amounts, if you're underneath the thunder shower, could be over an inch like it was in Beeville this afternoon. And the rain forecast calls for isolated tomorrow, just stray the next couple of days, back up to isolated on Saturday. For tomorrow, 70 for the temperature in the morning, 84 by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Lots of sunshine tomorrow and less rain than we're seeing now. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast takes us to 87 Thursday, 88 Friday. Armed Forces Day in Beach to Bay is going to be warm, and then it gets that old nasty wind comes back Monday and Tuesday of next week.